Hello, you are watching Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Zara. Here are the top headlines for the day. Bitcoin dips below $1 lakh mark amid Middle East tension. Ether plunges 10%. Corporate Bitcoin buying continues while Texas commits public fund to Bitcoin. All in today's Coin Monitor. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and let's get started. So Bitcoin dropped below $1 lakh mark for the first time since May, while Ethereum plunged sharply following the US targets strikes on the three Iranian nuclear sites, triggering risk-off sentiments among investors. So BTC fell as low as $98,900 after the attacks, recovering now some of the losses, which is trading lower by 0.7% near $1,01,400 levels. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, also tumbled as much as 10% to $2,157, its lowest intraday levels since May 8th. And over the past 24 hours, crypto markets have seen $642 million in liquidations, adding to $595 million wiped out on Saturday, pushing the total losses of over $1.2 billion in the last 2 days. And the global crypto market cap now stands at $3.11 trillion, down 1.35%. Shifting focus to the US-based crypto ETFs, last week's spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded a net inflows exceeding $1 billion, while spot Ethereum ETFs had a modest 40.3 million inflows. So in corporate news, the Tokyo-listed firm Metaplanet, known for its Bitcoin acquisition strategy, purchased 1,111 Bitcoins for $117 million. And this latest buying brings their total Bitcoin holdings to 11,111 Bitcoins, over which is the total is $1.1 billion at an average price of $95,700. Michael Saylor's strategy hinted to another Bitcoin purchase as the company faces a lawsuit tied to the $5.9 billion Q1 Bitcoin loss. Meanwhile, the Trump crypto advisor David Nakamoto's holding raised $51.5 million in the fresh capital to expand its Bitcoin treasury and build Bitcoin-focused businesses. So real estate mogul Grant Cardone's Cardone Capital entered the Bitcoin market with 1,000 Bitcoin purchase, planning to acquire additional 3,000 Bitcoins. So UK-based Mendel Helium raised £515,000 and announced plans to implement a Bitcoin treasury management policy. Moving on, Tether recently issued another $2 billion USDT on the Tron blockchain following a 1 billion issuances days earlier. Despite the TRX has dropped over 2%, trading close to around $0.26. OKX is considering a US IPO, boosting its OKB token by 5% despite broader market weakness. OKB is trading close to around $53.37. Texas became the first US state to allocate public funds to the Bitcoin with Senate Bill 21. The Texas Strategy Bitcoin Reserves will hold state treasury, focusing only on the cryptocurrencies with market cap over $500 billion, currently just Bitcoin. Coinbase secured a MiCA license from Luxembourg, becoming the first US exchange authorized to operate under the EU's unified crypto regulations. So let's focus on the technical outlook. The Bitcoin's near-term trajectory depends heavily on the Middle East tensions. De-escalations could drive prices towards $105,000 to $106,000 mark, while the further conflict might push it down to $92,000 level. That's what the analysts have said. Market participants have warned that Iran's potential retaliation remains a key risk. Continued ETF inflows are critical to support market stability amid the ongoing selling pressure. So going forward, Bitcoin recovery about the $1 lakh mark shows resilience despite geopolitical concerns. Increasing trading volumes suggest renewed investor interest, but the technical signals call for the cautious optimism rather than a clear bullish breakout. Sustaining gains will hinge on geopolitical developments and shifting investor sentiments in the weeks ahead. That's all there is in Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.0 TV. Thank you.